Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can change resolution inside of Filmora. Now, there's two ways you can approach this. The first way is going to be to change the resolution of your whole project, and the second way is going to change the resolution of your final output, your final video. Okay, and we're going to do both in this tutorial. Now, let's say that you want to change the resolution of your whole project. What you're going to do is you're going to go to File in here, and you're going to click on Project Settings, and then here you can see that you can change the resolution to whatever you like. You can change it to 4K, things like that. And you're gonna have access to more resolutions if you change the aspect ratio. So let's say that you wanna do some kind of short for Instagram. As you can see here, we will have different options for resolutions as well. Okay, so just try to experiment with these options, and you're gonna have different resolutions available. Okay, you can also do custom in here, which you can just type, I don't know, whatever. Okay, and that's going to give you your preferred resolution. So that's about the project resolution. Now, the second way is actually going to change, the export settings. So we're just going to click into export. And as you can see here, we have our resolutions options, which again, we can click on whatever we like in here. Okay, so this would be it. Thank you so much.